So this is the tunnel, right? There's your gates. Now, this little valve here opens the gate. This one here closes the gate, and this one here shakes them, the vibrators, right? Tells you what cargo holder they're at. Right now, go up one side, down the other side. Right, that's the cargo maintenance workshop in here. Right, and the loop in that, I'll get that for you a little bit later because I hit the record button and it didn't work. But I will show you the shop. Well, like I said, it's really, really opened up compared to the old ones, right? There's 6 cargo holes. They're all individual cargo holes, not like the old transport. This is the shop, cargo maintenance shop. So there, that's that. That's their list. If I spot something, I'll write it down on the board, and Darren will fix it when it comes out. Darren is down for 6 hours right now, and I'm here. There's some rollers, guys. All right. But the main thing is check to make sure for oil leaks and stuff like that, right? Okay. That's our emergency stop. Just pull a cord, shuts down the whole system. No one knows what it's like to be the sad man. That's for entertainment purposes only. Yeah, so that's the tunnel, guys. Right? But it's nice and opened up. There's the electronics for all the gates and stuff like that. Right? And it's they control the speed of the belt, right? Here, the mates do. Right? There's some rollers. Right? And then we're going up. Right. I'll see if I can get to the cargo hole. Okay, up we go. There are their slurry pumps for pumping out the tunnel when they're hosing and stuff like that. That's the tensioner right here. See that? It just takes up the tension on the belt. Oh, hold on, I'll get up here and show you a little better, guys. Right here. Keeps the tension on the belt. You'll see when we get up there. Same as on this side.